Right, lesson six, I can't even speak. Lesson 6-2, graphing systems of equations. So what we're going to be doing here is, again, this whole unit is about systems of equations, multiple equations, not just one. So to solve a system graphically, you're going to plot, again, keyword here. Sorry, I'm unsituated. You're going to plot both equations on the same grid. Then you need to look for and this is the key part, this is the important piece. You need to look for the point or points, because there could be more than one, of intersection. Okay. So a couple of things going backwards here. To solve a system graphically, you have to plot both equations on the same grid, or graph both equations on the same grid. Whenever you're graphing something, you need to first start by solving for y. Remember, you need to isolate that y so you can either, find the slope if it's linear, or be able to plug it in the calculator if it's not linear. So you need to solve for y equals first. You need to get that y equals, if it's a line, y equals mx plus b. Another important piece here is that if you have weird numbers, or if it's not a line, use the calculator. If you have weird numbers, if you have fraction numbers, if you can't exactly plot 2 2/3 on the graph because it's not a whole number for your y-intercept, use the calculator to get points that are whole numbers. So again, our solutions here are points of intersection. And when we talk about points of intersection, intersection means where they cross, where the graphs cross, where they intersect each other, where they go through each other. There are just a few requirements we need to go through for your problems here. First one is that your solutions must be written as coordinate points, meaning an x value is not enough. You need to have both an x value and a y value, an x comma y. And you must label your graph. We need to be able to tell which equation is which. Which graph is which equation. That's going to be important because you're going to have multiple equations on the same grid here. So we'll take a look at that in action with our next